In this video, we'll be showing you how to resend an order confirmation email. First, make sure you are logged in as an administrator. From the main navigation, head to Reports, Orders, where you can search for your order using the search fields in the Manage menu on the right. Once you have located the correct order, click on the Manage menu and select Resend Confirmation Email. Confirmation that the email has been sent will then appear. And that's it, you can now successfully resend an order confirmation email. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.